Looking to secure your home, two popular Arlo options are the Arlo Essential and the Pro 5. One is affordable and simple, the other is a premium model. So let's see which one should you pick. The Arlo Essential lineup gives you reliable 1080p 2K video, motion detection, two-way audio, and color night vision in a compact wireless camera that's easy to set up and budget-friendly. It's ideal for general indoor or outdoor monitoring, and if you want solid surveillance without a huge investment. Some of its pros: great value and straightforward setup, color night vision and basic motion alerts, and works well for standard home monitoring. However, it has lower resolution and fewer advanced features compared with Pro models. The Arlo Pro 5 takes surveillance up a notch with 2K resolution video, dual band Wi-Fi, 2.4 and 5 GHz for more reliable connection, and often enhanced video clarity and HDR for better detail in challenging light. It also has a 160-degree field of view and can integrate with apps and smart home systems. Some of its pros: sharper 2K video for clearer footage and identification, dual band Wi-Fi for smoother streaming and connectivity, advanced motion detection with color night vision and wide coverage. But some require a subscription to unlock full cloud recording features. It's also more expensive than Essentials, and battery life and motion detection can depend on placement and settings. The final verdict: choose the Arlo Essential if you want a simple, affordable security camera that gives good basic monitoring for doors, garages, or backyards, great for most everyday setups. Choose the Arlo Pro 5 if you want clearer video, stronger connectivity, and more advanced detection features. Perfect if you're serious about capturing detail and reducing false alerts. The bottom line: choose the Arlo Essential for budget-friendly everyday protection and the Arlo Pro 5 for premium clarity and performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.